Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to upload files and images into Notion and let Notion AI explain, summarize, and pull information from them for you. This is perfect for assignments, study, and research. So let's get straight into it. Step 1, you want to open a Notion page and then press at the bottom of your page where it says Notion AI and has this little icon, and it will take you to this page. And here you press the little plus at the bottom where it says add, and then you press add images or PDFs, and it will take you to your images and PDFs, and then you can choose which one you want. Gonna press this one, open, and then let it attach. You can ask it to do anything, so like you can ask it to explain what's happening in the image, extract text from the image, summarize the information, explain this chart or graph, or solve the equations shown in the image. Depends what the image actually is. But today I'm going to do explain what is happening in this image. So send that through and it will give me a detailed explanation on what is happening. So it's giving us the key elements and then like a summary here and the contrast. To take this to the next level, you can ask it to either turn this into study notes, create flashcards, turn this into a presentation, write a paragraph, or turn this into a poster layout. But I'm going to do now write a paragraph. So send that through and it will write a paragraph for you. Now, if you want to take it even further, you could summarize into bullet points, extract only the important information, or give me steps only. This is perfect if you have like an assignment due or a couple of math questions that you're stuck on. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this series. Come back in my next one.